Hi, I'm Mario Laulia from Metal Plus LLC. We are going to show you how to install solar panels on steep standing seam metal roof without using a rail system on this particular roof up here. So, how are we going to install solar panels without using rail system on a steep roof? Well, we're going to use the Ultimate brackets, or the big boys, or the Rufus helpers. What's nice about the Rufus helpers, you can use them as steps to get from A to B. So basically all you're going to do is engage or disengage the clamp onto the seam. You're going to adjust your upper arm, whatever angle to put your plank on, and this is what you're going to use for staging. Okay, so how are we going to install solar panels without using rail system? We are simply going to use S5 PV Kit 2.0. You simply attach the clamp onto the seam, and the PV kit is what is going to hold the solar panel on the roof. The synergy between Metal Plus and S5, utilizing those products to install solar panels, will be a great cost saving from using rail systems. Here, the installers are going to install the solar panels starting from the top and work ourselves down. This is a safer and easier way to install the solar panels. By using Metal Plus brackets, you can install double columns or single columns. The installers are using Metal Plus Rufus Helper to hold the solar panels in place. This way they could easily install S5 PV Kit 2.0. Here the installers are properly tied off to Metal Plus universal safety anchors. Before bringing the staging at a lower level, the installer is tightening the edge grabber above the solar panels. The installer is also using the Rufus helpers as steps to go up or down the roof. It really is that simple to unclamp and reclamp the Ultimate brackets. Below is the link of S5 video discussing the calculation on materials, time, labor, and cost saving between the rail and the railless system. Later on this year, we are going to do a complete installation of solar panel on the entire barn. Stay tuned for that next video. I can assure you, once you go railless, you will never go back to a rail system. Thank you for watching our video.